Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. Today we need to talk about something most crypto investors avoid until it's already too late. Having an actual exit plan. Everybody knows how to buy, hardly anyone knows how they're going to sell. And that's where most people end up giving their gains right back to the market. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so let's start with a simple question. Do you actually have a plan to sell? Do you have a real plan? When are you taking profits? How long do you want to hold? Are you here for a few months, a few years, or an entire cycle? Do you have targets? Or are you hoping you'll figure it out later? Most people call themselves long-term holders until the market dips 10% and suddenly everything turns into panic mode. For us, a true long-term hold means being willing to sit through a full cycle, usually 3 to 4 years of boredom, fear, consolidation, and then the euphoric blow off top. If you don't define your time horizon, the market will define it for you. And one of the biggest mistakes people make is selling just to chase something that's already pumped. It happens constantly. Someone holds a coin that hasn't moved yet. Then they hear that another coin is about to explode. So they dump the one they believed in and buy the coin that already pumped 300%. What happens next? The new coin dumps, the old coin suddenly wakes up, and they end up missing both moves. It's the classic FOMO trap, and it destroys more portfolios than bear markets ever will. That's why our approach is simple. If we believe in a project, we hold it until it reaches our target, not until someone else hypes a different coin, not because another chart looks exciting, not because the market suddenly gets loud. If a project hasn't hit our exit level, the plan doesn't change, and the way we build those exit levels isn't based on hype, it's based on charts and sentiment. Predictions change, narratives change, influencers change their tone every other week. But human behavior stays consistent. That's why we look at things like market structure, major support and resistance, high time frame momentum trends, retail sentiment, and liquidity flows. Those factors tell us way more about where we are in the cycle than any tweet or prediction. Here's the part most people won't expect when the final rally comes. It's going to feel like the start of a huge new bull run. It's going to feel safe, exciting, and unstoppable. And that's exactly why so many people miss the top. Historically, those big rallies near the end of a cycle are actually the last real opportunities to take profit before the downturn. That's why preparation has to come before emotion enters the picture. And that brings us to the reality that nobody wants to hear. If you don't have a sell plan in advance, you will regret it. You cannot make your best decisions when the entire market is euphoric and volatile. A proper exit plan means you know your targets, you know whether you're scaling out or taking chunks, and you know the signals that tell you momentum is weakening. You're not guessing in real time. This isn't about reacting, it's about preparing before the big move even arrives. So here's the bottom line. You need your exit strategy before the peak hits, not after. Start asking yourself right now, what price am I selling at? Will I scale out in stages? What signals will tell me to reduce exposure? How will I avoid getting sucked into the hype when everyone around me thinks we're going to the moon forever? If you can't answer those questions yet, now is the time to figure them out, not during the pump. Stay focused and stay patient. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We've already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.